summer, it's crochet season, and I have a special project to make in this video. Hello everyone, if you are new here, hi, my name is Míša. I usually upcycle stuff, especially clothes, but in this video I'm gonna be crocheting. Last summer I bought 4 colors of cotton yarn and crocheted a bunch of flowers. This summer I want to turn those flowers into a cute top, and I think I'm gonna start by designing it. As I am thinking about the design, I think the easiest way would be to crochet the neckline and the armholes, and then use them as a guideline for filling in the top with the flowers. What I love about crochet is how easily transportable it is, and I think it makes it perfect for traveling and outdoors. I also like to call it my side quest hobby because I don't feel like starting a sewing project all the time, and crochet gives me the opportunity to just grab a ball of yarn and a hook and make something cute and small, which is fun. Last summer, I was exhausted and burnt out from my former job, so I didn't go that much roller skating outside, but instead, at least I pushed myself to take the crochet, go to my local park and work on that, to be at least somehow outdoors. And that is how I made all of these flowers. I found most of the patterns on Pinterest and also here on YouTube, and my favorite one is this one by Brunaticali. I'm curious if the 48 flowers that I made is enough, but I guess I will see, and I can always crochet more. Well, as you can see, I finished the pinning. This is all of my 48 flowers. Surprise, it wasn't enough. So yesterday I crochet some more, and I also crochet these tiny leaves to fill the bigger gaps and improve the overall structure of the top. So I will be adding those. This is the front. This is the back right now. And for my plan, I'm gonna continue by connecting all the parts with safety pins and then chain stitching them together with the orange yarn. Guess who finished the top in time and now can enjoy it, wearing it almost whole summer? I did! Yay! I'm so happy! In total, I used 63 crochet pieces, 45 of them are flowers, and then 9 leaves to fill some of the gaps. And for the ribbing, there are 57 rows of the ribbing for the neckline and 64 for each of the armholes. Out of all the patterns that I used, I made a Pinterest board that I will link down in the description of the video so that you can check them out for yourself. I have to say, I'm in love. The top, it looks even cuter than I imagined. If you ever think about making yourself a project like this, I would definitely recommend tying the ends of the loose yarn as you go, because it's a lot of loose ends and it doesn't get as overwhelming. So I usually crochet part, then tie the ends and then moved on. So I think it's a good strategy. Yeah, and I think that's it for this video. The top is perfect and I can move on to the next project. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments how do you like it, if you would wear it. I hope so. If you are not, please subscribe and maybe share this video with like-minded friend. And take a good care of yourself. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next one. Bye!